Navitas Life Sciences is proud to partner with the Parkinson's Foundation on their PD GENEration Registry study. I'm here with two of our colleagues from the Parkinson's Foundation, Jim Beck, Senior Vice President and Chief Scientific Officer, and Kamalini Ghosh-Galvelis, Senior Director of Clinical Research. Tell me a little bit about how exactly PD Gene contributes to the field of Parkinson's disease.
Hi, my name is Dr. James Beck. I'm the Chief Scientific Officer at the Parkinson's Foundation. So PD generation really meets an important goal within the scientific community and clinical community. That is filling the need and the gap that is there for getting people genetically tested for Parkinson's. Right now, it's not the standard of care. And an issue that we face as we think about clinical trials and the future of care for Parkinson's is understanding who actually has a genetic form of Parkinson's disease. So our goal with PD generation is really threefold. One is to really empower people with Parkinson's to know more about their disease. We believe knowledge is power, and knowing something about your genetic background and what your link is to Parkinson's disease can be really important and empowering to the person with Parkinson's. The second is we want to really improve the idea of precision medicine for Parkinson's disease. This isn't necessarily a new drug. It's about using this genetic information, the specific information about an individual, and providing care that's tailored to them. And we've heard today at this conference that clinicians really take advantage of that and find it useful to understand someone's genetic information. And then the third thing that's really important for Parkinson's disease and our PD generation study is to accelerate clinical trials. We know that precision medicine trials are on the cusp. In fact, some are actually underway. And by having more people identified who have a genetic form of Parkinson's disease, we can enroll more people into the clinical trial. So it becomes less of an issue of trying to sequence everybody in the universe as it gets back to a regular clinical trial effort, is knowing who has a genetic form of Parkinson's disease already, and then just getting them to come into your particular trial, assuming that they meet your particular criteria.
Hi, my name is Kamalini Ghosh-Galvelis, and I'm the Senior Director of Clinical Research at the Parkinson's Foundation and the Strategic and Operations Lead for PD GENEration. As a flexible registry study so that we can expand the accessibility of genetic testing and genetic counseling to anyone who has a diagnosis of Parkinson's disease across not just the United States, but globally. And we wanted to do this so that the opportunities to participate in research expanded beyond just tertiary centers and really moved outwards to anyone who wanted to participate in research. This allows us to not only bring in individuals who see specialists, but also engage in populations that might not have access to research normally, such as underrepresented populations.
The Parkinson's Foundation works towards improving care for people with Parkinson's disease and people at risk of developing Parkinson's disease, and advancing research to find a cure. The foundation has a multi-center community and offers genetic testing to create genetic data and sample repository. This registry program also provides genetic counseling for the participants. Navitas Life Science, an experienced clinical research organization, serves as a coordinating center for these large-scale initiatives. With extensive experience in managing registry programs, integrating clinical research data with real-world data and real-world evidence, developing robust registry platforms, and leveraging advanced data harmonization and system integration strategies, Navitas has been working closely with the Parkinson's Foundation program leaders and colleagues to develop and implement this most important genetic registry program, including over 100 US and ex-US registry sites. Navitas' drive is to collaborate with the communities and stakeholders, fully focus on gaining a cure, as well as therapeutics to ease symptom progression. Our foundation focus and experience, particularly in the Parkinson's disease and CNS areas, make Navitas uniquely positioned to assist you in pursuing your goals and for us all to win against these debilitating diseases.